गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल ऑफ़ यू। हमने जो है पिछले लेक्चर में फेवर्स की रिएक्शन डिस्कस किया था। आज जो है हम इसका जो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन है वो डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज़ मीन बाय फेवर्स की रिएक्शन, व्हाट इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फेवर्स की रिएक्शन। नाउ लिसन, द अल्फा हेलो कीटोन is converted into ester in the presence of alkoxide, in which carbon skeleton is changed, called as Favorsky reaction. Simple definition is conversion of alpha haloketone into ester. Okay, now look here, this is the general orientation of Favorsky reaction. This is the alpha haloketone. Okay, and it converted into ester. Okay, in the presence of alkoxide. Here alkoxide is a base, it is also called as a reagent. Okay, so फेवर्स की रिएक्शन में हम अल्कोऑक्साइड की जगह पे उसके अलावा उसके इंसिस्ट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के और भी रिएजेंट यूज़ कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल हम हाइड्रोक्सी आयन को भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और उसके अलावा NH2 नेगेटिव आयन को भी यूज़ कर सकते इस amide ion. Okay, it is called as also amide ion. So insist of alkoxide in Favorsky reaction we will use hydroxyl ion as well as NH2 negative ion or amide ion. So we will get a different type of product. Okay, so in Favorsky reaction when we use hydroxy ion, so we will get a acid product. Okay, we will get acid product. And if when we will use NH2 negative ion instead of alkoxide, so we will get a amide product. Okay, so by the use of different type of reagent we will get a different type of product. Okay, we will see both hydroxyl ion and amide ion one by one. Okay, so firstly we will use a hydroxyl base or hydroxyl reagent in Favorsky reaction. So we know that this is the substrate molecule of Favorsky reaction called as alpha haloketone. At alpha position one halogen group is present, it is called as alpha haloketone. Okay, so this is the substrate molecule. This substrate molecule firstly react with hydroxyl ion. Okay, so here we will get hydroxy ion as a base or reagent. So firstly this hydroxyl ion extract this acidic proton from this alpha haloketone. Okay, due to which this bond shifted toward the carbon atom and we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, so here negative charge will be developed. Okay, after the formation of this product, here simply deprotonation take place, one proton is released. Okay, so after the formation of this deprotonated product, here this negative charge attack on this carbon atom like SN2 type. So simultaneously bromine is removed and we will get this type of, this reaction generally occurs SN2 type. Here bromine is removed and we will get this type of cyclic intermediate product. Okay, this is called as cyclopropanone intermediate product. Okay, after the formation of this cyclopropanone intermediate product, here further OH negative and attack on this electrophilic carbon atom of carbonyl compound. Okay, so in Favorsky reaction the base is generally used as excess. Okay, okay, firstly this base act as a base, sorry, this hydroxyl ion act as a base and here this hydroxyl ion act as a nucleophile. Okay, so this nucleophile attack on this electrophilic carbon atom of carbonyl compound, so due to which this pi bond shifted toward the oxygen and we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, now look here, this oxygen bear a negative charge and here OH group will be attached with this carbon atom. Okay, so we will get this type of intermediate. Okay, after the formation of this intermediate, we want to neutralize this negative charge of oxygen. Okay, so the negative charge of oxygen is stabilized into two ways. The first way is to break this bond, and the second way is to break this bond. Okay, so firstly we will break this bond. So after the breaking of this bond, this carbon bear positive charge and this carbon bear negative charge. Okay, so the negative charge and positive charge form a pi bond, so we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, here negative charge is present, OH. Okay, so after the breaking of this bond, we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, so this intermediate product abstracts one proton, it means it undergoes protonation. Okay, this negative charge of carbon abstract one proton, this proton in first step, this proton is released, so this proton is abstract by this negative charge. Okay, so protonation take place here and we will get a final product like that. Okay, it is called as acid. Okay, so this is the simple mechanism of Fevers reaction by the use of hydroxyl ion as a reagent molecule. Now look here, this is alpha haloketone. The alpha haloketone is converted into acid in the presence of base hydroxyl ion. Okay, so Fevers reaction is base catalyzed reaction. Okay, I hope you will be understand. Okay, now we will see the another reagent called as amide ion reagent. Okay, so I am erase all this. So insist of OH negative, here I am take NH2 negative. Okay, so the mechanism of Fevers reaction is same. In the first step, this NH2 negative abstract this acidic proton, so we will get this type of intermediate product. Here negative charge will be developed. Okay,